Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Honda Civic's drive belt. First, gather your essential tools, including a ratchet, a socket set, and of course, a brand new Serpentine belt. Safety is paramount, so ensure your engine is completely cool and your vehicle is securely supported on jack stands. Before you begin, take a moment to locate the Serpentine belt routing diagram, which is typically found under the hood to guide your installation process. Now, let's move on to removing the old belt. First, identify the tensioner pulley. This crucial component maintains the correct tension on your belt. Using a breaker bar or a long-handled ratchet, apply pressure to rotate the tensioner, which will relieve the tension on the belt. Once the tension is released, carefully slide the old Serpentine belt off all the pulleys, paying attention to its original routing for reference. With the old belt removed, it's time to install the new one. Carefully route the new belt according to the diagram you located earlier, making sure it sits correctly on every single pulley. It's important to double-check that the belt is perfectly seated within all the grooves of each pulley. Once the belt is correctly routed, slowly release the tensioner, allowing it to apply the proper tension to your brand new drive belt. After installing the new belt, perform some crucial final checks. Start your engine briefly to ensure the belt runs smoothly and quietly, without any squealing noises. Visually inspect the belt for proper alignment on all pulleys and confirm there are no signs of slipping. For optimal performance and longevity, consider replacing the tensioner pulley if it exhibits any signs of wear, such as excessive play or unusual noises, during this maintenance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.